So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Mullen Automotive call options here in Canada, ticker symbol MULN, using Wealthsimple. So what you have to do first is open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom left and press on the second option from the left, press on the magnifying glass icon. Now what you can do is either go to the search bar right here and search for ticker symbol MULN. MULN for Mullen Automotive Inc. Or what you can do as well, if you want, is you can press on cancel, then go to the options tab right here. You can press on where it says more, and then for me, about 5 options down, it says MULN for the Mullen Automotive company. So we're going to go ahead here, press on that. Now, if you want to buy some call options, what you have to do is make sure at the top it says I believe that MULN will rise by. So make sure where it says rise, press on that. Make sure that call option is checked for whatever reason. If put option is checked, it's going to go ahead and say fall. So if you want to change that to a call option, press on where it says fall, press on call option, and then it should say rise. Now what you can do also is press on the date right here and select the date you wish to have the options expire on. So what you can do now is you can either, so for this example, because of the price tag of this stock, you can actually only buy at this moment in time one option for in the money or a couple different options for out of the money. So we're just going to go ahead here and press on $1 USD for out of the money for demonstration purposes. And if you wanted to buy this for whatever reason, go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how to buy Mullen Automotive call options here in Canada, ticker symbol MULN. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.